There's the excavator. Here comes the dump truck. Here it comes. Scooping up all the sediment that's in the pond to clear it out. He says he puts in 6 loads from his excavator into the dump truck. See the track wheels there? A Volvo. Scoop it up. Splat. A lot of water in there. Spreading it out. The whole point is to, once a year, my neighbor down the hill clears out this pond. He pulls the plug, because it's a man-made pond, empties all the water that he can get out, and once a year they clear it out of all the silt and sediment that's built up over a year. And I don't know that he does this whole thing every year, but it's pretty cool.